Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. This one I can put into n to the power of 1 over n. Next, we have the formula e to the power of ln 8 equals to 8. So capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform into this one in here. Next, I will put the limit go in here. Now we just concentrate about this one. So we have the second formula ln 8 to the power of b equals to b ln 8. So I will put 1 over n go outside. Next, we can put like this. When n approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. So we have positive infinity over positive infinity. So we can use about L'Hospital. So we need to do first the derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we have 1 over n. This one we have number 1. So we simplify like this. When n approaches to positive infinity, you got 0. So we go back in here. So this one we have e to the power of number 0 and we have number 1. So the value of this limit equals to number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.